While some financial products or services use the name Neon, the Swiss digital bank Neon is primarily app-only for day-to-day customer use. There is no full-featured web portal for managing your account. The modern world of digital finance is constantly evolving, and a major shift we've seen is the rise of neobanks and fully digital services. Many traditional banks still offer both mobile apps and comprehensive web portals, but for digital-first companies like Neon, the focus is placed squarely on the mobile experience. Neon, the app-only experience. Neon's banking service is designed to be managed entirely through its mobile app. This approach is common among many neobanks, as it allows them to streamline development, focus resources, and offer a faster, more intuitive user experience optimized for smartphones. When you open a Neon account, all core banking functions, checking your balance, making transfers, managing your card, and accessing customer support, are handled within the application on your phone. They have built their platform around the convenience and accessibility of a dedicated app. Why no web portal? The absence of a traditional web portal is a deliberate design choice. It reflects a commitment to a mobile-first strategy. The goal is to provide a seamless experience where your phone is the only device you need for banking. This singular focus helps Neon keep its service lean, resulting in the low fees and transparent pricing structure they are known for. By concentrating all features into the app, they offer a powerful tool that fits right in your pocket. Limited web access. While there is no full online banking portal for transactions, you may find limited web access for specific administrative functions, such as signing up for an account or potentially accessing documentation and legal information. However, for your daily financial management, like initiating payments or checking recent transactions, you will always need the Neon app on your smartphone. The app is the primary, and practically only, interface for your account. So, if you're looking for a simple, app-based banking solution, Neon fits the bill, but if a desktop interface is a must-have for you, you'll need to consider a different provider.